As the mechanical keyboards grows among typists and gamers, enthusiasts are becoming equally detail-focused in other hobbies, like diamond and gem inspection. Whether you're a jeweler, collector, or hobbyist working on diamond art, a quality magnifier makes a huge difference. List number: artdot magnifying glasses with light for diamond art kits. Designed specifically for diamond painting and intricate hobby work, the artdot magnifying glasses are a top pick for hands-free magnification. They come with interchangeable lenses, 1.5x to 3.5x, and built-in LED lights for maximum clarity. The adjustable headband design ensures comfort over long sessions. List number: Elikliv Microscope, LCD digital coin microscope 1000x. If you're inspecting diamonds for inclusions or authenticity, the Elikliv LCD digital microscope is a game changer. This high-tech magnifier offers up to 1000x magnification and features a built-in 4.3-inch screen, eliminating the need to squint through a tiny lens. With 8 adjustable LED lights and the ability to capture images or video, it's perfect for documenting and sharing your finds. List number 3. JMH magnifying glass with light. 30x, 18 LED lights. The JMH 30x handheld magnifier is ideal for close inspection of gemstones, offering strong magnification and excellent illumination. It features 18 LED lights with cool and warm light options to reduce shadows and highlight fine details like diamond cuts, flaws, or inclusions. The comfortable ergonomic handle makes it easy to use for extended periods, and the lightweight design ensures portability. List number 4. hmkis Jewelers Loupe 2-pack, 30x, 60x, 90x with light. This 2-pack set from hmkis is a favorite among jewelers for good reason. It offers multiple magnification levels, 30x, 60x, and 90x, letting you zoom in on everything from surface blemishes to internal flaws. The integrated LED and UV lights are great for clarity and authenticity testing. List number 5. hmkis Diamond Tester Pen with 60x Loupe. This combo pack is a powerhouse for diamond authenticity verification. The hmkis Diamond Tester Pen detects real diamonds by measuring thermal conductivity, an essential tool for dealers and buyers. Paired with the 60x illuminated loupe, it offers both scientific verification and visual inspection in one kit. The tester is easy to use with a simple on-off switch, cleared indicator lights,